Today we're going to be taking down this maple right here. As you can see, it's not real big, but it's really close proximity to the yard. See, we're trying to landscape and make the yard better, but it's just there's no breathing room, and I want to kind of open everything up. And I don't like cutting trees down. I really don't. But another thing is, if you look at the roots here, these roots are going right to my foundation. There's that one. And there's that one, and I think there's a couple more over here. The roots are going right there. That's my foundation. It needs to be cleaned. So, and there's another one right there. So yeah, so it's going to come down, and we'll show you the progress. So. Holy crap, dude. Wow. Yeah, talk about sunlight will be definitely coming through. Need to move? That might hit the house there.
No, it's gonna do just like that one did. It's gonna come straight down. Sure.
All right. Do I need to move?
Oh yeah, you're fine. You gotta get up a little higher.
Woo! That vibrated the tree right here. Oh, dude. Oh my God.
See that coming? Cut it right there. You gonna fall?
Oh shit. Watch out, dude.
I knew it. Knew it.
Careful. Huh?
That's not what I wanted. Yes, good day.
That's gonna get hung up in the trees too.
Which?
The one you got your.
Ain't nothing hanging up here. Word or what?
It's getting ready. Watch your face,
I
Jim.
know that I brought that other little one I had.
Let's get ready to go. Watch yourself. Ah, bless.
Tell me we get lucky on that plant.
Holy crap.
Yeah. I've got all about that palm.
Oh. Oh shit. That was close.
Woo.
Did it hit it?
No. It looked like it might have hit it, but it's. Get ready, keep it tight.
I am. Watch yourself.
Yeah, keep it tight.
I'm pulling on it. Look out.
Got it?
I'm pulling on it.
Man.
All right, hold on. Let me stop filming.
Nope. Keep it tight.
Watch out.
Keep it tight.
Oh.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Oh my God.
Call me Lucky Key. That's my nickname, Squirrel.
Mufasa, Mufasa. All right, this is the after effects here. Look at all that over there. Wow.
The squirrel is coming down.
I'm coming. Oh, it's going. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah. Got all your right.
James was just saying the center here is getting rotten, so it'd probably be a few years or maybe longer, but this tree was already having some issues, and looks like there was some little algae on the bark there, but yeah, you can see now how everything's open, and so you get a lot more sunlight in the yard, and minus a ladder now, but that's
One death in the family, ladder.
well, at least nobody got hurt. So here, like James was saying, the bark beetles are eating it up, so I don't feel so bad taking it down now because there's a lot more light. Of course, the house needs some TLC, some pressure washing, but it's all in work. It's all in progress.
It eventually would have died.
Beetle stuff right there.
Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice.
No, beetle.
Hi, Dora.
Bark beetle.
Bark beetles. Dora, what happened? Here's the next day. As you can see how it opened up the whole yard. It's gone. The whole yard is open, and you can see now a lot more sunlight's coming through, and there's the remnants of the trunk. You can see the black spot in the center of the trunk over there, which was getting rotten, and there's a pile of leaves there and a pile of leaves there, and minus the ladder over there that took some damage. But it's really gonna let the yard open up, and of course I got the roots right there. I don't like going towards the foundation, so it's done. And this is the day after, but a lot more lights coming through. And there's Dora. Hi, Dora. You like all that extra space you have? Yeah, it's just a tree, right?